We have sailed over 300 miles to the middle of the Caribbean Ocean, finally making landfall on Guadeloupe, where Fairley and I have found one of the most stunning and unique waterfalls on the island. But to get there, we have to show you the 3 days prior that it took us to find this hidden gem. This video includes fishing, scuba diving, shell hunting, and so much more. Check it out. Good morning, everybody. Fairley and I are in Guadeloupe. Fairley's whipping up some pancakes right now, and bacon and passion fruit. Nutella pancakes, bacon, eggs, and passion fruit. Oh. With the Nutella, very good. That was a great breakfast. I gotta hop in the water with some scuba gear and go check on the anchor. The anchor was just stuck underneath of a big rock. We're gonna fill up our diesel jugs and throw away some trash. Let's check out this bay and see what's around the coast. There's a rainbow right here.
Cute.
Turn that around.
Yeah. It's so great. I love that. This little quartz.
Oh, I bet you there's some shells in there. Terrible jellyfish thing. Well, Fairley just got stung by that nasty jellyfish. With that being said, I think we're gonna have our dinner now and we're gonna lay down and not do anything. Isn't that right? Tomorrow morning, we're going to be going further down South Guadeloupe to a marina called the River Sens Marina. We need to refill on a few things on the boat, a lot of our consumables.
It hurt like no one fucking bigs.
Whipping up some dinner right now. We have chicken parmesan and some noodles and some broccoli, steamed broccoli. We're gonna raise anchor right now and get underway to get down to the south side of Guadeloupe. We're making our way down right now. We have this yellow fella who's tagging us. It's a very rainy day here in Guadeloupe. We just saw a whale next to our boat. What in the world? When I was looking at the water, I saw what I thought was a log. And when we got close enough,
It was a log. It was like huge.
when we got close enough, I realized it was a whale. And it was sitting at the edge of the water. It was sitting at the top of the water, and then it decided to dive down.
The first whale.
That was the first whale I've ever seen. We're gonna try to hop in the water if we see it again. We may even drop the dinghy right now and go try to find it.
Oh my goodness, please come back up, please. Should I lower the dinghy?
Maybe.
Look at this trailer behind. Oh my god!
We see them.
Oh my god!
We see them.
Oh my god!
We have to keep trucking down the road. I'm sorry that we didn't get any GoPro footage of those whales. They came out of nowhere. There was that one whale in the beginning that was sitting there, and I thought it was a log, but I mean, I would not have assumed that that was a whale. Look how close we are to land. What are they doing over here? I have no clue. This is the southwestern side of Guadeloupe. Seems to be some kind of landmass made for farming, or maybe an old fort.
What are you doing?
I got one on the line. That is just a shame. I'm gonna hook up another rig though. We'll give it another shot. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fairley! I got one out here! Oh, okay. Good. Said Guadeloupe's been beautiful so far, but we really haven't been able to feel the rewards of being here because we haven't been able to go on land. But we're gonna try to make the most out of tomorrow by renting a car and going to check out some of the waterfalls. It's been raining for about 3 days here on the western side of Guadeloupe. So,
Do I look awesome?
we love you all, and we'll see you tomorrow morning to go explore some freaking awesome waterfalls.
You scared me.
Good morning, everybody. We're gonna rent a car and try to explore the island a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna head over to the dinghy dock. Here we go. Hashtag tired.
Jazz.
All right, we checked into customs. We're on our way to the car rental spot. We stopped at that little cafe. Fairly got a croissant and some other treats. Something to start off our day. That's pretty crazy. The ocean on our left. Whoa. That's a beautiful little stream right there. Wait, did she give me an automatic car? I don't know how to drive stick.
Are you serious?
Kyle, you got this, dude.
So we're here at the car rental agency, and my buddy Jordan's trying to teach me how to drive this rental car because it's a stick shift, and I grew up learning automatic, so.
And then you just let off the gas, push in the clutch, and shift into second.
Wait, second to go downhill?
You don't even have to really use
You
the
just
gas.
stalled out.
Yeah.
Second, I just cruise.
Wait, are they on the right side of the road?
So I'm keeping my foot down on the clutch right now, Jordan. Is that chill? Oh, I stalled out.
You start moving. You didn't stall out?
No,
We did
we're
once,
good.
but we're good now.
Heck yeah.
So Jordan.
I don't
Oh shit.
Don't worry.
If I'm going downhill, what do I do? I'm a jack of all trades here.
I'm honestly surprised. Oh, punch bag and a punch bag and a red Mini Cooper.
I don't think there's any better way to learn how to drive stick shift than in a rental car in Guadeloupe. But we need to get to the laundromat, and we have to go check out these waterfalls.
You're doing good. Smooth.
It's right here.
No. Wish it was not
It is this.
here. Is that a waterfall? Is it a really big waterfall? Oh my god, our first waterfall. It's so beautiful. Look.
Well, I feel better now. I think I'm understanding.
Oh my god! Oh my buddy.
Well, I said, like, just give me a second. I'm gonna try to figure it out. And then she goes, okay. So I go outside, and Jordan gives me the 2-minute demo. And then I go inside, and I just give her a thumbs up. I go, yeah, we're good. And she goes, okay. Stalled 2 times trying to leave the parking lot. I hope she was watching that whole thing. Every time I walked inside, she was just on her phone. She texted in her Google Translate and said, do you seriously not know how to drive the car? And I had to look at her like, I was never taught how to drive one of these things. Oh, they're covering the bananas with...
Plastic so they don't get bugs.
Oh. Maybe I just forgot how to drive. It's been a while.
Oh my god. There's a McDonald's here. Kyle's pretty excited. Look, there's another one.
There's 2 McDonald's? We made it to the laundromat. Okay, thanks.
It tastes like Jello.
I think Fairley and I had some laundry to do, and now we're in stop-to-go traffic in a stick shift rental car. We're not home yet, but I'd say I have this whole stick thing on lockdown. I understand this. It's really not that hard. You shift up when you're on a highway, when you're getting started, it's the hardest part, and you gotta take it slow, and you can't really care about your neighbors who are honking saying, what the fuck are you doing in the circle? Not moving! We're back at the dinghy dock. We got some groceries on our way home, and we're gonna head back to the boat. No luck for waterfalls today. We can't go up there, but tomorrow morning for sunrise, we're planning on it. Good morning, everybody. Fairley and I were pretty tired when we got back to the boat last night, so we fell asleep almost immediately. All right, are you ready? Wow, it's super windy out here. Woo! I'm really excited for this car ride.
Spot.
So we're in the rainforest right now, and there are a shit ton of tourists here. I was surprised by the fact of how many people there are. Like, all along this road, there has to be at least 200 cars.
1,000.
No, not 1,000.
No,
There's not 1,000 cars. We're gonna give this one a shot, but if it doesn't look promising, and it looks like it's just way too busy with tourists, then we're just gonna go to the next waterfall. But we'll give it a shot.
It's really cold.
It is cold.
Watch out for amoebas.
Is it hot? All these rocks are just covered with a thick layer of moss. Everything is covered in so much moss. No, not even. It's no wonder why everyone comes up here. So cool. I want to see the top. Bonjour. We're having a hard time finding the waterfall because all the signs are in French. So this is really cool. So cool. I mean, we are in a cloud. Look at all that. Jeez, I don't know where this waterfall is. So Fairley and I were walking up to the top of this mountain and we asked them how far away is the waterfall, and they said
there's no waterfall.
There is no waterfall. Alright, we're gonna walk down this volcano. How boring. A volcano? Jeez. I came here for waterfalls.
I want you to... Oh my god.
We're gonna get in the hot spring.
That felt really good.
Yeah, that was awesome.
On board this.
Back to the car. Little bird on our windshield. Oh, goodbye. Oh, and now it's on Fairley's side. Because the island is so big, having a car is doing us wonders to actually understand what this island is about. If we knew how to speak French, I think I would want to live here. We just looked up waterfalls on a map, and this place came up. It's called Bassin Bleu. I don't know if it's a legit waterfall, but it looks like a very heavy stream with rivers, and we are about 2 minutes away, and we're gonna check this out. Yeah, this is beautiful. Alright, so Fairley and I just had our little lunch.
It was so good.
Yeah, really good chicken. The lady there said that if we walked down this road for about 10 minutes, then we'll reach the Bassin Bleu. Oh wow, look at this tree.
Oh, give me my phone.
Holy cow, I like that. Yeah, it does. We can hear the water flowing in the distance. Wow, that looks beautiful. It seems like every plant out here has leaves that's bigger than they should be. And banana leaves, just massive. So crazy. I'm gonna climb up this rope I see and see what's on the other side of this waterfall.
This is so fucking cool. This is so great. Look at this.
Whoa! Holy cow! This is steaming with life.
This is so beautiful.
some kind of funnel system in here. I don't know what's going on. This thing is just launching off like a freaking ramp. Whoa! My bag. We're gonna go back to the car and get some toasty AC going.
That's comfy.
We feel great right now.
It's toasty in here.
Well, I'm from where?
St. Thomas.
I'm St. Thomas. I'm from Dominica.
Oh yeah. We are back on the boat now. That was an extraordinarily fun day. When we got back to the boat, we had a neighbor come up to us who only spoke French, and he was trying to tell us that while we were gone, our mainsail fell out of the bag somehow. But apparently we have to go pay our thanks to someone in the harbor who helped us out. Fairley and I are both exhausted, and we are going to wrap up for the evening, and tomorrow morning we'll return that rental car. I mean, call it 2 years ago, I would not have ever believed that Ghost Dancer would be able to be down here in Guadeloupe doing all the things that Fairley and I are doing right now. I'm gonna raise the dinghy, clean up a few things, and settle down for the night. So, good night, everybody. Thank you all for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the morning.
I can't take this. I really can't take it. I really can't take it. How come you just told me about this?
If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to check out some of our other videos on the channel and stay tuned for more videos coming in the future.